It's a shirt.
Okay.
Hi, Sedona.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Can you tell me what book this is?
July.
What is it? Take your hands out of your mouth.
What word is it?
July.
Snow White.
Let's show Snow White. Do you love Snow White?
Peace.
What do you say?
Hope.
What is this?
What are these guys?
Me.
The dwarfs.
Dog.
And who's that?
July.
Snow White.
Very good.
Grumpy, that's right. That is Grumpy. Who's that?
There.
Who's this one? Bashful.
Pasha.
Sneezy.
He.
Happy.
Papa.
Duck.
Duck.
Who did I miss?
Did you do Grumpy already?
Grumpy. Sneezy. Bashful.
Doc.
Happy. Sleepy. Doc. Seems to be one extra. Bashful. Did I do that one?
I don't know. And who's the princess?
Who's that lady?
July.
Snow White.